Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to sit down and film. I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. Not necessarily like a tutorial. Wow, everything got really dark there for a second. But this is the inside of the palette. And I just kind of want to just sit down and just do my makeup. I've just been going through some stuff and life has just been so incredibly hard that I've just wanted to give up a lot lately. So I just kind of wanted to sit down and just kind of talk about things, and because I know like we're all struggling and going through stuff right now. So just wanted to sit down, hopefully calm myself down a little bit, because makeup is just one of those things that I don't know why I keep going in and out of focus. But makeup's just one of those things that kind of helps lift me up when I'm in a bad space. So I have been trying to get like a new career thing going, and I don't know what it is, but it's I have to be careful with what I say, because I can't really, like, I think, name the company, but trying to sell insurance, let's just put it that way. And it seems like it's one of those things where like they make it seem like, oh, it's so easy, but it's really, really not. And you know, it's like, oh, just, you know, follow this, do this, which I'm doing, but it's not really working out. And like, yeah, I am new to this. I've made one sale, and part of the thing that's hard is they start you out on these really old leads. So the people that like responded that were interested, it was like 2 years ago. So you're calling them now and they're like, no, I don't want that. Or, you know, you're calling them and they hang up on you, or they're just crabby. And it's hard to even like get an appointment set if people like won't even listen, or they're hanging up for you to that point. And you kind of have to struggle with the old leads before they let you have the new ones. And that's just something that's really, really hard, because it's like you can't get the experience that you need if you can't even get people to want to set appointments, which is where most of it, you know, comes in. And so I'm just kind of really struggling with that. And the whole Roe v. Wade overturn, that was a couple videos ago, y'all will see that. And then, I don't know, just like life in general has just been so hard. Like, I have been running a law firm by myself for over 3 months, and it's just really, it's just a lot for one person. And yeah, I'm like, crap, like I don't even know what to do anymore, because I am just so worn out and so tired. And you know, it's just, you just get to a point where like one person can only take so much. And I know we're all going through a lot, so I'm not trying to be like, you know, my struggles are more important than anyone else's, but I've just had a really rough several years. And I'm just tired, you know, like I really, really need a break. Like I try to, you know, help everyone out. I try to be a good person, but like it's just getting to where I don't even have time to take care of myself. And I'm just ready for my life to get better. And it's just stressful, because I feel like some days like that's never going to happen. So I don't really know, you know, what to do. And I'm trying really hard to like keep going and try and stay positive, but it is so easy to get into just that bad mindset, you know, like things are never going to get better, it's never going to change. So I'm kind of trying hard to not get there. And you guys, I apologize. I feel like if I look down and then I look back up, the camera's going out of focus and it shouldn't be doing that. But anyway, that's just one of the many things. And then I haven't really had time to do much for my wedding, which is hard. My fiance and I, we only get to see each other on weekends. And like over the course of like the next 3 weeks, we're only gonna get to see each other like 2 days, so that's hard. I don't know, I just feel like every part of my life right now is hard, you know? I kind of feel like, you know, most people, they would just have maybe like 1 or 2 things that they're struggling with, but to me it's like, I'm struggling with all of it. And I don't know, I mean, I feel like if I could, you know, make this insurance thing work, that would take a huge load off, because then I'd only be working 1 job. And I would be able to work from home so I could have more time to do things I need to do around home, because right now, you know, with my commute to and from work, I'm gone about 10 hours a day, and that's a lot. And then it's like I come home, I do have a study buddy who's amazing with this insurance thing. I got paired up with her because I guess everyone's assigned like an upline manager, but mine is like the head of the whole company. So he's really busy, and I mentioned something on one of like the Zoom meetings about it, and the people that were running it just kind of laughed and were like, yeah, he's really busy. It's going to be impossible to get a one-on-one with him. So it's like they're telling everyone else, you know, yeah, you need to contact your upline. They'll help you out with all this. But then I'm being told that mine is, you know, really, really busy, which I understand. But then I feel like I'm missing out on all this training and this help that I should be getting. So that's another thing that's hard. But anyway, just back to everything. I just feel like I'm just on the struggle bus, and I don't know how to get off. And I don't know. I just really need for things to get better soon, because I'm just worn out, exhausted, tired. I just really need a break. And I just have no idea when or if that's going to happen. I don't know. This is kind of just how my life goes. Like, I do something, and it just always seems like everyone else somehow always has the upper hand. So I'm always stuck, struggling, fighting, just to even get started. And I just, like, everyone else just rises and gets better and better, and I'm just kind of stuck. So it gets frustrating, you know, and it's just, I don't know, just something that I'm trying really, really hard to not give up, and to not let myself get in that really bad place, because that, like, is what will, like, ultimately destroy me. So I just have to keep doing the best I can and just keep trying to keep going. And so, like, if anyone else is, like, going through something, like, don't give up. I get it. I have plenty days where I'm like, okay, I just can't do this anymore. I need a break. But yeah, just hopefully, you know, better days are coming. Things will get better. Don't give up. But yeah, so I kind of have a plan in place, and I'm just going to see, there's a hair on this brush that I cannot get, see how things go the next couple weeks, and hopefully they get better. If they don't, I'm just kind of, might just have to try and figure something else out. But I'm hoping that it does work out. It's just really, really hard, because I am, you know, working full-time, so I can only try and do this other thing part-time, which is not near as much as everyone else can do it. So that's one thing that I need to remember as well. But they have said that they have people who do it part-time and that they're still successful. So I'm hoping that I can be one of those people. But if not, I do kind of have a backup plan in place. But, like, if anyone is in sales out there, did you find it really, really hard to get started? If you don't mind, you know, just kind of commenting down below, just kind of give me the breakdown. Because I know they're saying, you know, like, everyone's going to be horrible at this at first. And I don't think it's that I'm horrible. I just think it's really hard to sell to the aged leads, you know? because I know like they show people doing calls and stuff, and they're mostly like 99% of them are the newer leads, because I think those are, well, they're, you would think you have a better chance at getting a sale, but then it's like the rest of us, it's hard, because we're like, crap, we're making all these calls, like we're not getting anything, and then it gets frustrating. So yeah, if anybody is in sales and you would like to kind of like give some insight, that'd be awesome. I don't know what my deal is. I'm just not able to do my mascara today. Like, what is going on? I also like didn't do any makeup like the last couple days because I've had just a horrible cold and just felt like crap. And I feel like all my setup has been messed with. I don't know if it's the ghost or what, but like I can't even do my mascara right now because like I'm trying to look into my mirror and I can't get it. I just can't. I don't know, so I'm trying to use my mirror that's down below on the table. Hopefully you guys can still see. And I totally forgot where I was at, what I was talking about. Oh my goodness. It's just been a day. Oh yeah, it was the 4th of July yesterday. And my neighbors were blowing up the neighborhood till 3 in the morning, so I got no sleep. That was awesome. So I took the day off work, and I'm still battling my cold. It's just one of those things that is just still lingering, and I just cannot get it to go away. It just will not. Okay, so that's a little better. I don't know what my deal is today with trying to do, or maybe that's a little better, mascara, but dang, I feel like I completely forgot how to do it, and I've been doing this almost every day for the last like 20 plus years. I don't know. I guess it fits with the rest of the day that I've had. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just struggling a lot with life. Everything seems to be really, really hard, and I just really need a break. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. How are you guys doing? Is there anything that you're struggling with? Have you had anything really good happen to just kind of like give us all some hope out there? Feel free to comment down below. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with. I apologize for that mascara nightmare. Oh, guys, I'm not kidding when I say I've just been through it lately. I need a break. I need something to go right in my life because I'm like really, really struggling to keep going. So, here's how everything looks. Ignore the mascara boo-boos. This is just my life right now. Nothing's going right. But here's how everything looks. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you would like, and I will see you in the next one.